shit, I've never seen that before.
They fighting to deaths too. Talon, we putting this on YouTube.
Yo, they is rumbling.
Right. They really fighting.
Yeah, I never seen it before. Wow, like, ooh, look, he's back at it. Is you recording it?
Yes.
Oh shit, that was crazy.
That's crazy. They're really fighting though. Are we in her spot? Oh no, she recorded too. Right.
I got to see this, man. They can go around. This. Watch out, cuz.
They fighting.
Yo, they rumbling, cuz. Oh! Oh! No, they.
Oh, Talon, still record.
Oh, did you? Oh,
What? Get out, Talon. You're gonna have to get out and record.
this is wow, yo.
Wait a minute.
They're going for broke.
They've been going for a minute because we've been sitting there watching them.
They're going to the death.
I thought maybe like one was dying and he was trying to drag him, but
They fighting.
No, we seen the one was pecking him, and the other one like gave up for a minute.
like he's down.
Yeah, like he exactly like he's just gonna kill him and eat him.
Why are they? I didn't know birds fought like that.
Oh, they still. Look, they out.
That was crazy.
Yo.
You had two birds was out here fighting, like really fighting, like literally fighting. Carol, you had a bird fight out here.
To the death. They went up. They was on a wire. They fell all the way down.
All the way down, like.
Wow, I've never seen that like that before, man. That is crazy. Come here, bro. Come back. Oh, yeah, you good. That's wild, man.
Did you get it, Talon? Yeah. Okay.
That is